So students, in today's video we are going to discuss about that is a math puzzle question related to age. That is, look at the question over here. Can you solve this math puzzle? Okay, so the sum of ages of father and son is 45 years. 5 years ago the father's age was 4 times the son's age. Find their present ages. Okay, it's a very beautiful question. The question is related to age, right? Look at the question. How can you solve this? Okay, so here the question is asking here you're going to find the present age. Okay, so let's suppose I am saying let the present age of son. Okay, what is that? Let's suppose I am saying x years. Okay, fine. Okay, and obviously you can say that the father says क्या रहेगा बताइए मुझे, tell me. So look at here, the sum of ages of father and son is about 45 years. दोनों का sum मिलाकर कितना आ रहा है भाई? 45 years आ रहा है. तो let's suppose I am saying the present age of son is x years. So obviously father says कितना रहेगा भाई? 45 minus x. Yes sir. Okay. So now look at here. Again read the question. 5 years ago the father's age was 4 times the son's age. 5 years ago means before. Okay. So 5 years ago. So son's age कितना रहेगा बेटा? So obviously you can say sir x minus 5. Okay sir. Similarly 5 years ago that is father's age कितना रहेगा बेटा? So obviously you can say sir that is 45 minus x minus 5. Okay sir, fine. Okay. So now look at the question. It is asking that 5 years ago the father's age was 4 times the son's age. Okay. 5 years ago the father's age was right. According to the question you have to write like this. According to question, what is that? 5 years ago the father's age was 4 times father's age right here again. According to the question you have to write like this. 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to what? Now that is the 4 times the son's age. 4 times means multiply करेंगे 4 into son's age कितना, this one, so that you have to put it over here. Okay, simplify it, just simplify it. Okay, so you know it how to simplify. So look at here, 45 minus 5 is what? 40. So 40 minus x is equal to, multiply करो 4x minus 20. Okay, fine. And I think you already know that how to simplify this one. Okay, so you know that is 4x and ये minus x इस तरफ जाएगा, that is plus x is equal to, that is 40 minus 20 इस तरफ आएगा, that is plus 20, right? So obviously you can say sir 5x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 12. What is x? X is equal to 12, right? So x indicate that is a present age of son, right? So obviously the present age of son is what you're getting over here, 12 years. Present age of son, what you're getting here, 12 years. Similarly, what is the present age of fathers कितना मिलेगा भाई? Simple, 45 minus 12. So what you're getting, you have to subtract. So what you're getting here, 33 years. What you're getting, 33 years, right? So this is your answer. In this way you have to solve this kind of questions.